All right, so we're doing a little deer corn feeder maintenance today. Made some DIY corn feeders. So you saw I made them out of tubes the other day. So just 6-inch PVC pipe, and I elaborated on that because the corn does not even last a week. So instead of getting the big ones at these properties that I have, where people could come in and steal them, it's our private properties, but it doesn't mean people aren't coming on here and poaching or stealing things. I've had one game camera stolen. I don't want it stolen anymore. So what we're doing today, here is my feeder. I have my 6-inch PVC that I had before with just a gravity fed. What I did is I went to Lowe's, grabbed a 5-gallon bucket. I added a little C-loop on the outside. I painted everything. Covers with a simple lid. It'll hold a whole bag of corn now. So 40 pounds of corn. Same gravity fed system. What I did is I took, if you can see under here, I just took a toilet flange. I cut the bottom of this bucket, took a toilet flange, bolted it in, and then it screwed this onto that flange. So that gives me a little more. And then obviously on the back for a standoff, I just used a normal framing L. So it's a 4x4 deck post bracket. And I put that on the back as a standoff to keep this off so I could use the lid and open and close it. And now I'm just gonna spray paint the strap. I'm gonna spray paint this a little bit more, make sure it blends in a little bit. And these deer will come and eat this up. It'll probably be maybe a week and a half and they'll get all this corn eaten. So we'll see. Remember, it's not just the corn, the deer that eat them. It's the squirrels, it's the birds, it's everything. There's deer, there's some doe down there. I see them about 100 yards away. I saw her driving in that road. So this property is one where I have a road right here, about 300 yards, 200 yards that way, another road, 300 yards, 200 yards, then a major highway right here. And this is the parking lot to one of my gyms. So this is a 17-acre parcel right here. And I shot 2 deer out of here last year. So many deer in here, and this year I did not see many. So I was concerned, but I just saw 2 driving in. So I just had bad luck. But we're gonna keep feeding these deer. This is also gonna be a food plot area in here. I'm gonna clear this whole, sorry to spin you guys around, this whole space right in here is gonna be a micro food plot to bring these deer in. And we hunt the corridors where they come in on both sides. So we can hunt over the food plot. You can't hunt over corn, so or any bait. So this is just for off-season supplementation. So now that I know these deer are gonna be left alone for the year, we're gonna get them nice and filled up and fat and not starving. So that's the plan, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna spray paint away and go on to the next one. I have 2 more of these to do today. And we're gonna get a game camera up here also once those new stealth cams come out. I wanna try those. That Moultrie's working really good though. So if you guys need game camera, the X, it's either V or A for AT&T, 7000 works pretty good. I'm getting pictures of my phone, everything's looking awesome, so it's kind of fun. But this is what you gotta do. If you want deer on your properties, you gotta find a way to get them here. That's what we're doing. Enjoy your day, guys.